Okay guys, let us discuss the questions B, nonlinear first ODE, and type 1, separations of differentiation equations. So for the differentiation equation that is separable have this form Py dy dx equal to Qx. If the differentiation is separable, we can put all the unknown functions of y on the left hand side, and then the known functions or the independent variables on the right hand side, and this is a separable differentiation equations. Now we see for the solutions, questions 1, we have y prime minus at y cube equal to 0. So we can rewrite this y prime is equal to dy dx, which is equal to at y of cube. Now we can move the unknown functions of y to the left hand side, then we have dy divided by y cube, and then we put the derivative dx on the right hand side. Then we do the integrations on both sides. Now 1 over y cube is equal to minus 1 over 2, 1 divided by y square. Integrations of x with respect to dx is equal to f of x plus c. Then we can rearrange this to be minus 1 square. We multiply both sides with 2, then we have 16 of x plus 2 of c. We can rearrange, eliminate this minus on the left hand side. So we multiply minus on both sides of the equations, then we have minus 16 of x minus 2c. Now this 2c is in arbitrary constants, then we can rewrite this in terms of y over y square, 1 over y square equal to minus 16 of x minus c. So this is the general solutions for the differentiation equations. Okay,